Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for ya. This time, you guessed it, I have another unboxing. I thought that was a what do you call it, a mailing tag, but it's not. But yeah, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. Alright, so if you guys can see a box over there, you might guess what is in this box. It looks sort of like a shoe-sized box, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what I got. Alright, so these shoes, this particular stylish shoe, they have been coming out with, they call them re-releases, when basically the same shoe that has released in the past is coming out again. And if that doesn't give away what this is another pair of Yeezys, and these are the Yeezy 350s. Let me go ahead and take this out, remove the box. And this is the first pair that they released that was not a re-release. And so this is the newest. I'm not sure when this video is going to come out again, but this is the newest release that has come out. So let me go ahead and take it out. Alright, so here we go. And I got, these are the Yeezys in the sesame color, which it sort of looks like sesame seed color. I guess that's where they got the name. It's sort of like khaki-ish, sort of grayish in color, and that is what I was looking for as far as, you know, a shoe. Because, and let me go ahead and show you guys my collection so you guys can see what I'm talking about here. I'll just take out one shoe because you guys all know, excuse me, what the other shoe looks like. It looks identical, but just a mirror image. But here is the very first pair that I had purchased. And now these re-releases in particular, so the white one, this is the triple white. I have not worn these yet. The tags are still on here. And I have not worn these yet because it is, you know, winter here in Minnesota, and if I were to wear these outside, they would be gobbled up and they'd be dirty from all the dirty snow outside. And so I have not worn these yet, but I will. These are size 11. I also got a size 11 in the sesames, but the thing with this shoe color as well is that white is going to get dirty no matter what. And so not just because it is snowing outside, excuse me. Another reason why I have been reluctant to wear these is because they're just, you know, all white, and I know they would get really dirty really fast. And so here is the third pair that I have. So this is the second pair that I ordered on my own, and I paid resale for all of these. And so the issue with getting Yeezys in the past was that resellers would, and I have no problem with resellers at all, because, excuse me, you know, they get things, and, you know, if somebody's willing to buy it for more than what they bought it for, it's all up to the buyer. Okay, so here is the zebra colorway, and now I got this in a 10.5, which I really should have gotten Excuse me, I'm still a little under the weather here. I really should have got these in a 11 because they are a little bit tight on me. So when this pair came out, the cream whites, they specifically said, and I'm talking about they as in Adidas, they said to, and I think I actually got this from Foot Action. Foot Action said to go one size up. And so I had purchased both a 10.5 and an 11, and I ended up giving back or returning the 10.5 just because it was a little bit tight. Now when these came out, they said they were true to size, and I had tried ordering again 11 and 10.5. This one is a 10.5. My size 11 order did not go through, unfortunately, and I am stuck with a 10.5. Now it is, it fits okay. It's just a little, really little bit snug. And so when this shoe came out, I knew right away that I would get a size 11. And the reason why I'm excited, most excited about this pair is because it's not white, and so I could wear these, you know, walking around town and not have to really worry about them getting dirty. I mean, with this pair, you know, it's white. It's white and black, but it's still white, especially this pair. I'm really scared to wear this one, but this one, I'm planning to take this pair with me to California when I do go home for the holidays. And so yeah, I'm excited to wear this. And again, each one of these shoes has the infamous boost sole, I think that's what it's called. But it's basically like styrofoam. But let me tell you, these are the most comfortable shoe that I own, basically. And so I am totally about trying to get these in all the different colors that are coming out because, you know, different colors you could match with different outfits. And one thing I wanted to do is let you guys know some of the things that are coming out, because there are several other colors that are coming out soon. And I will put some pictures maybe here or something. So on December 14th, I hope this video might come out after that, or maybe before. Hopefully before. I'll try my best to get it out before that one comes out. But it is the neon yellow. I think they are called the Yebras, Y-E-B-R-A. These are the zebras. And now imagine this shoe yellow. And that one has been the most limited color that has come out in all of Yeezy land. And so people might be you know, really interested in getting that because there just hasn't been very many of those shoes in the market. On December 27th, and this is the one that I'm most excited about, they are coming out with the Yeezy 350 Static. And now they have a 3M version and a non-3M version. The 3M version is sort of reflective, and so that's really cool. So when you take a picture of it, it would reflect a silver or a whitish color. And now in 2019, there has not been a date put on this shoe just yet, but it is a glow-in-the-dark Yeezy. And I think it's going to be a yellow pair, similar to the Yebras, but this one is going to be not the zebra pattern. And it's going to be a full solid yellow color. And it is going to be glow in the dark, which is really cool. And I heard that it was inspired by Northwest, which is who is Kanye West's his daughter. And so I thought that was a pretty cool thing. Now, I am only really interested in this style of shoe, which is the Yeezy 350. I am not interested in, there are, you know, the Yeezy 500s and the 700s. I just think those shoes are not are not cute to say the least, and so I have not purchased any of those shoes. Currently, I think some Yeezy shoes, especially the 700s that have come out recently, I think those are still sitting on shelves or on the internet somewhere for less than retail price. And so if you are interested in any of these Yeezy shoes, you know, this is the time to try them out, because you can actually get your hands on them, not by paying resale prices, but paying retail prices. And the retail price of these shoes are $220, which is still kind of expensive for a shoe, considering the type of shoes that I have been getting in my lifetime. But let me tell you, for a very comfortable pair of shoe, I think it's really worth it. And I'm glad that I was able to pick up these shoes. And let me just show you guys all of them together. So yeah, so that is my video. And if you have any comments, questions on how to get them, where to get them, anything like that, please leave your question down below. And yeah, until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.